Igbo onye m na-anụ bụ ọfịa afọladụ Chimarin Temple. Okwu nje maka ya bịa n'isi ụtụtụ a bụ maka ndị Igbo be anyị. Everybody need ịma na something na-ewu ewu n'ụwa. Everybody ga like it for the blessing. Dịka election anụ nwa na-ewu kịta anụ. Oge Nnamdi Kanu nọ na Radio Biafra na comment na complain na ndị afro anyị n'anya mfamanye nwa ya bụ na asị na a na-emegoro fenyere Peter Obi fejere maka oke ụwa nye ndị ebe anụnwa ka ọ bụrụ na Christian and Muslim na ọ bụzi Muslim ticket ife eme na bụ na apịala awọ pịalụ mbala ewelu ife niile nyere onwefe mana ajị m opportunity wee na-agwa unu onye ọbụla egbukwa n'onwe ya maka na onye dị ndụ ekwufe ya eme echi. Biko nụ ekpere unu ya ekpe, unu ya focus one prayer point unu one place maka na ọ bụ na onye Awụsa bụ onye a nọ n'ụlọ nga ndị Awụsa ga na-eme gị ekpere si warapụ ya ka ọ pụta ka ọ nwere onwe ya. Ejiro maka nwunye, ejiro maka nwa, ejiro maka ọyị, ejiro maka ikwu wee na-ewere maka ife ndị a wee rapụ ya. One, onye na-ekwu maka ya na ọ bụrụkwa na mmụọ agbagafela agụ na sponsor anything destruction. Hello? Hello? No brother, more about to sponsor destruction. Because I maybe they make the election now, maybe in the IPOB I say, what's the word? As you know, Makana, now stop election. Nimo State. Now stop election. No, yame. Peter Bidi da. Whatever stop election. As whether can get one badara, Jelo Kanya Gilu. Jelo Kanya Gilu came Malano, but I know one of occultic country. If you don't belong, you cannot beat them. Oh, you don't give a no Chimarin Temple. My name is Uncle Jacket of Foreign League and I complain. Chimarin Temple, you know, I will know where you belong. You know where you belong. I want you to make here, Melo. Igbo, Pota. Everybody put away 2 hours. We deny you now. After the done, right, you lady deny you now, right. PDP away. I can't not know you go on your elbow. Go inside in Kenya. No vice. You tell me when I was on you, team was up. Ni me campaign na won bo yen me campaign so that no abuna ba ya na o get release Nnamdi Kanu mba o wore ekuti ya n'okwu ụfọdụ na chọka ọnwụ maka ife onye ma na bakwa nọ n'ụlọ egbukwa n'onwe yi akwụkwọ bịara mbido igbu onwe ya nwụrụ enter house baa n'ụlọ ensas ọkwa egbu ndị mmadụ na ensas ndị na-ejere egbe ndị na-ejere mma baa n'ụlọ ka imebe ekpere ọ bụrụ ọgwụ gị na ngwọba ọgwụ ka a napụrụ ya onye ga-ekwuru ya ọnụ ga-ekwuru ya ọnụ bụ nwoke anụ nọ n'ime ọ ya nwa omega onye ọbụla nneva m n'anya ndị ụka were nwa ọzọ tiketi Okowa bụ vice president of Anglican, Peter Obi bụ Catholic, the highest Christian who win the highest crowd could not win election. Or Muslim ticket won the election. It's not tribalism now there. Use your sense. This is mathematics for you. Tribalism there. Oh God, they had in your Ndi Igbo ọchịchị ka ọchị ya na Nigeria. We can just not learn now that may betray log YN. So no bro. Tinubu ade je maka Igbo president maka ego. n'afa ka ọ chọrọ is a rich man n'afa agboro isi ndị agboro ịmara onye agboro na-enweta ego everyday agboro man dey get money everyday. I believe on salary, I believe on daily pay. A daily pay man can play highest gambling. He can offer a highest money to win, to get whatever he wants to get. But a gambler can put up like this now and get a poor, now if I have 2 million, the other bazaar, I still get 10 million. Obaka, you know, is you. But if one are talking with a corner, to my faculty, he wants to make a name. And that don't know his turn. You know, go thinking, when I go first side, this is my turn. So, I want every one of you as well. Enter your house, use that force you use in the canvassing for P2OB. Use that strength and canvas for Ndi to come out in prison. Let's Igbo now sit down and reform Igbo land and reform Eastern land to be in a better position that will help the youth and help the upcoming ones. If you know you are fighting for your children's future, it's not like this. You're making noise. Except you want to belong, then you come close and belong. Then you know that this is a packet and a poison you die off. It's a very minimous country that seasonally it takes care. The careless ones will die. Onye ọbụla niile bụ onye Igbo ga-ebulu egbe dere destroy government property maka election a bụ a fool. Enter house. Think about yourself. Nobody should take any advantage to destroy any property in the government because he may because of this election. If you not go far to anywhere, almost some of your brothers and sisters now look at that company, not that office. They are not really in all your stupidity in the because neither the Emale, none the Kalu, the election had wrong. You said it. Are you not watching this speech? People are saying, no, I took a vote. No, I'm not going to vote. I'm not going to you. I'm not going to have you. When I told them, when I bought your bob, na village, the oldest man, I have a chief priest. I have your bob. Even a village, they be for oldest man. Imam Ben the lad and today. I have Nigeria. The old ones, white pipe agreement of this country. So, Ibiana Metika Chief Judge, the one never, Bolo Ifa, Bolo member, Professor, the one never, Bolo Ifa, Bolo one never. So they are in clique. These things make in atmosphere of physical. In spiritual realm, they are clique. So what I go on the air, or what I belong to the year, but what I wish about the year for, all of this because if I walk Ndiana Ndichi, Diva, Ronago, yes, about the Cotica Banankete, only Kubuchima and Temple of Yavolago. Phone number 08038324996 of Yabute. Michael! Tell them Banam name by Mba. Ebara, I don't know Ibo. I saw more about lose, but I don't know. My phone did him alumna. Prayer point 2 na mambono ngare focus na Peter big deliver mo yibo. No. Am deliver mo. Amam ni Igbo na achọ nkefa mana nke ndị Igbo adịrọ n'oka. Nada evolo vice from vice na aligo. Hey, we lo Igbo. Onye Igbo ga-abụ vice. Ka good Lord Jonathan bụ vice. Igbo gwa na ya. Okay. Okay. So even a men of the Genema Ife, then I bought a cotton, you blew away in a main road. Upon half of no was the election, everybody march. Pull them down. What are you will bribe? We'll tell them banner. What are you will bribe? What are you go? What are you main cap? Pull them down. My youth coppers, everybody put in I get the liver. No get the liver. Mbakwa. I'm doing a political choice in care. I'm going to buy a favor. You know, I need it. I'm going to buy it. I'll go to the way. My name are the highest thing I don't know why I'm going to get the liver. I cannot do mother. Or if you open name. Man, I'm the pastor and there no will strength and election. Tia no kunnan the canoe. I believe in a light of something. Man, I preach like that. As that there is a man that God will lift. God will lift him. We know that God will lift him. We are not against God lifting to my brother or to my sister. But is it the rightful time to God to lift you? Is it what has been ordained a spiritual realm? Is it what they have discussed in the cabal? Well, when we talk about cabal, when people have sit down and calculate themselves, and you now came in and said that you came back from outside country, but you don't know the way out of this village or this country. How can you escape? Did you know the impure? If in the night, Apollo na ịmalụ na-abịa n'obodo na ịmara ụzọ ihe apụ n'abalị na Anụbọgụ. Ọkwa Anụbọgụ anyị erie oyi. Kọntrị a nwesi escape area eji agba na kọntrị a. So ịbụrụ onye ọbụla nne bụ onye na-asụ ọnụ a na-asụ Igbo malụ that normal mbeli ya izi nke nwa rule without nke na fi nwa agreement. Agreement is an agreement. Emere agreement na-akọ eke na-akọla onwe ya. They na-ekpele ka nwa ụmụ nwoke nọ na nga bụ Nnamdi Kanu pụta. Enye gị ya judgment si ya nataba. Mana aka ji ya. Ananụ ma ya femesigo election federal government biko chimarin tempo na ya unu. Na ọ bụ na aka mụlụ na mma anwa ike m dị n'ebe a kwuba okwu. Chinelo biko hapụ maka dị stop na video. Ị nọ na Lagos national job na good job. I go eka nwe ego. Enye ya nsogbu. Onye ọka na-akpụ ego, ọka na-akpụ ụzọ. Ọchị mara ndị mpụ n'ebe. Anọ na my site. Ana m epụta nne ma ngosi wara ọchị da tiara window ọda. Tụtara ebe ọ. Ana etinye dọ. Ntinye dọ ndị ayọ na ọkwa gbogo mume onye NDP. Only can be at no foreign dog and Donyam. And I am not kissing me, Kenanya. Man, the dog, I am dog, or Bogum never know of a Lambanian, I don't want to be. I'm going to look at the end of not down that pitching. I can did you. So if a Benji, we are on a big corner. When I buy a stop wasting your time. I am not, but why no? That's why I want to go and defend my country. The country you are defending does not even see you. They will finish you. So that we finish you. Enter house. So that is my advice. Let's start. If all the whole churches, Catholic, Anglican, Pentecostal, all of them should march out on Sunday morning. Forget about offering money. They should march out on Sunday morning and do iwe newanyo na nyere anyo chechi iwe. Catholic na-eme na nyere Peter Obi. Anglican na-eme na nyere Okowa. Bụ gọvanọ m ezigbo mmadụ. Abụ ifo na akọ. Asị m na ezigbo mmadụ bụ Okowa. In the whole eastern state, Delta state is one of the peaceful states. Yes, I don't even matter about it. Okowa is not a bloodsucker. He's a good man. He's the best. Even I never the best governor. I am with the best governor. I'm not chunky. I need if we all, if it's a chunk, I saw a child vice. I saw a sub president. I'm a president. I'm a lawyer. What to call me one advice? Go see about by a good. Only care by the cabals. Only care about president. You have to target thinking. Peter Beach, able president. I have because that's wrong. I'm not the go. I thought I was able vice. But I'm not Peter B. So, article. pure vice this time. I'm not because I go and Muslim ticket. So this war is for Christian people, not for native doctor. Christendom. It's not for native doctors. All these ones you are doing now, we're not doing to enlighten you people where we are heading to. And secondly, let all these pastors, prophets, prophetess, because this is the country they are prophesying that this is what is going to happen. If you know that you say that P2B will win, Oyana and go and protest as a pastor. Come out from the main road. If you know really what you prophesize is real, come and defend it physical. No way, you cannot sit them outside. They will enter house. They can't bear the stress. Because soldiers will pursue them. Police will capture them and deal with them. So everybody is fear. Everybody is scared. And there's nothing you can do. If you like jump up, jump down, let the court to decide. When the court is deciding, whereby if the other one to need the court, the mind, then they will not decide against you. So the best thing you have to do, go inside your house and pray for Nnamdi. So they will release him. He will not die. They should release him, Nnamdi. I beg any president that wants me or Falago to like he or she to release him to be free.